So I was reading about how GitHub is evolving its AI capabilities, and there are some really unexpected implications.
Right? It's fascinating how AI is enhancing developer tools. But does that mean it could replace some developer roles?
Yeah, that's the big question. I mean, it seems more about collaboration than replacement, like AI as a team member.
Exactly. The idea that AI can help automate repetitive tasks is exciting. But what if it starts to influence creativity?
Wait, seriously, how do you think AI could shift creative processes in coding?
Well, if AI suggests solutions or even writes code, developers might rely on it too much, potentially stifling innovation.
But isn't it also about enhancing creativity? Like, having AI generate options might inspire developers to think differently.
True, but that's a double-edged sword. If we rely on AI too heavily, could we risk standardizing creativity? It's concerning.
That makes me think about how we've seen similar things in art or music. AI can mimic styles, but does it miss the emotional depth?
Yeah, it's all about the human touch. With coding, subtle nuances and understanding user needs can be lost if it's AI generated.
Right, and speaking of user needs, how about the ethical implications of using AI in development, like bias in code?
Exactly. AI can unintentionally propagate biases. There's this risk of reinforcing stereotypes if the training data is flawed.
So the quality of input really matters. It's like garbage in, garbage out, right?
Sure does. It's essential to curate diverse data sets to minimize those biases, but that's a huge challenge.
And even then, how do we ensure that developers are aware of these biases? That's a responsibility issue.
Absolutely. The conversation about accountability in AI development is ongoing, but that leads to regulatory challenges.
So could regulations stifle innovation, or are they necessary for ethical standards?
Good point. A balance is needed. Too much regulation could hinder progress, but no regulation feels risky as well.
Thinking about it, does it come down to education? Developers need to understand both tech and ethics.
Exactly. If they're aware of these challenges, they can make informed decisions when working with AI tools.
And that's similar to adopting any new technology, right? Education is key to integrating AI effectively.
Exactly. But speaking of technology, I wonder how user experience design will adapt with AI's influence.
Oh, that's an interesting angle. Will designers start to rely on AI-generated user interfaces?
Potentially, yes. But it might affect how we consider user feedback. AI insights can overshadow genuine human needs.
It's like using a GPS that determines the best route. You might miss out on scenic drives.
Haha, exactly. We could lose valuable human insights. Plus, testing with real users is crucial.
So there's this balance with AI optimizations, right? They should enhance, not replace that human touch.
Absolutely. It circles back to understanding AI limitations. Not every task benefits from automation.
And I wonder if that applies to other fields outside tech as well, like healthcare.
For sure, AI can help diagnose, but never replace the empathy of a healthcare provider.
So with all this in mind, is AI a tool for liberation or a potential crutch?
That's a profound question. I think it has the potential for both, depending on how we wield it.
Exactly, it feels like AI could be revolutionary if approached carefully. There's so much to unpack.
And that unpacking is the critical part. What we do now will certainly shape the future landscape.
Wow, this has really been enlightening. I didn't realize how interconnected these issues are.
Yes, it's fascinating how one technology can ripple through various sectors of society.
So what's the takeaway? Embrace AI, but with a critical eye and heart.
Absolutely. Stay curious, keep questioning, and we might just find the right balance for embracing AI.